I wanna stay and never go away. Wondrous place.
Billy's mum's in the audience, Jean Wycherley, ladies and gentlemen. Give us a wave, Jean. And the reason why we're here this evening, of course, is to watch this fantastic documentary on Britain's greatest rock and roll star, the legend that is Mr. Billy Fury.
We never part.
I thought it was absolutely brilliant. I'm speechless.
I thought the film was absolutely fantastic. I thought it was a documentary that put a different slant on Billy. Not only Billy and his music, but Billy and the real person that, you know, the real person that Billy Fury was. Because at the end of the day, he was just a shy, humble boy, and he had a lot of faith in himself in the early days, even though he was shy, and he wanted to prove to people what he could do, and he went out and did it.
Very quiet, very nice, very polite. I mean, really, really polite, but disconnected. I don't remember him, for example, I don't remember him coming and having a meal with us.
He struck me as being very lonely and insecure.
The trouble is, being a star like he was and mobbed wherever he went, he became very, very introverted. He cut himself off from everything.
There are many instances of him not wanting to do more than one number on his show instead of two, not turning up.
Absolutely amazing. I love the new footage, love the pictures, just everything.
From beginning to end, everything. They did a marvellous job. My heart goes out to Jean, watching two sons, proud but emotional.
Lived up to the billing, absolutely.
Yeah.
Over the moon about it.
Yeah.
Very good, very brilliant. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
I really enjoyed it, and I must admit that right at the end, it got me because I'd known him, met him, and then we lost him, and that really that did it for me. But the whole thing, putting Billy into perspective into the rock and roll field, was really well done.
Devastating for me when he died, really. You don't ever stop loving somebody, do you?
You don't know how I feel. You don't know my love is real.
I thought it was absolutely brilliant, and obviously by the reception it got at the end was proof that it was well received.
The film was brilliant. It made me feel very, very proud.
The stories are great and just love them to bits.
Don't ever worry that I'll leave you. That's such a foolish thing to do.